A professional family of more than 2,500 committed Herzog employees rise every day with the mission to innovate and pursue industry-advancing opportunities. Herzog has been a transformative force within the rail industry for over 5 decades, working and collaborating with key partners, rising to any challenge, and delivering industry-changing products and services. It all began in 1969, when Bill Herzog started an asphalt paving company in St. Joseph, Missouri. Bill Herzog's vision for the future and commitment to hard work earned Herzog a reputation as one of the most trusted names in the business. Still true to its roots as a leading highway asphalt paving contractor, Herzog has grown to be a national provider of innovative and technology-based turnkey rail services and solutions. Through 5 rail-focused companies, Herzog is the only full-service provider to the rail industry in North America that builds, operates, and maintains some of the largest passenger rail systems and freight networks across the U.S. Herzog's research and development teams continually push boundaries to engineer highly specialized rail equipment focused on maintenance of way activities, such as precision ballast placement, versatile material handling, and rail unloading. Leveraging emerging technology, Herzog transforms how the industry interacts with and manages its railroad assets. Herzog's advanced on-track inspections and surveys capture millions of data points, unlocking vital rail infrastructure asset insights through ultrasonic imaging for rail flaw detection and LiDAR sensing and GIS tools that create 3-dimensional views of right-of-way assets. Herzog's intelligent LiDAR sensing technologies also assist with real-time monitoring and hazard alert notifications to deliver increased levels of on-track safety. Herzog is at the forefront of Positive Train Control, or PTC, a specialized railroad overlay technology that monitors and enforces safe train movements and speed restrictions. Herzog provides turnkey PTC services from the front end of a project's design to field installation to back office support to achieve a fully interoperable system. Herzog is a leading construction manager and general contractor known for its ability to construct and deliver complex streetcar, light rail, commuter rail, and freight rail projects. Within the last decade, Herzog has built more than 350 miles of passenger and freight track and supporting rail infrastructure in major metropolitan centers such as San Diego, Los Angeles, Dallas-Fort Worth, and Kansas City. Once built, Herzog's job doesn't always end there. Herzog provides all functional tasks associated with the safe and efficient operations and maintenance of any rail transit system. Moving more than 36 million passengers annually, Herzog is the largest private contractor operating and maintaining passenger rail transit systems in North America. For more than 50 years, Herzog has consistently delivered elite results through a commitment to safety, teamwork, customer service, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Working hand in hand with its industry partners, Herzog continues to push the boundaries of what is possible to deliver elite results.